Good morning. You have a sleepy person on your hands. I'm about to make this cheeseburger, but I'm actually going to make two. I purchased this cheeseburger at the Dollar Tree, and I'm not telling you to go buy it at the Dollar Tree. I'm just telling you that I happen to love this cheeseburger. I'm going to make another beef meal sometime later, but I like these because they come with two patties, and I've had it enough to know that this is absolutely beef. And the strange thing about this, and I'm not trying to make anyone not buy it or to buy it, that's your business. I have eaten this and not gotten sick, but I have eaten McDonald's, and I mean, ugh, ooh, I can't even eat there anymore, to be honest. I kid you not. I get sick there all the time. Even a few people that I know said they can't eat McDonald's anymore. I'm sorry, I gotta turn the water on. I completely forgot about you guys. It's okay. I know you forgive me. I have to put my sugar in my tea, and then I'm gonna come over here and throw in a little bit of touches to my burgers. I love these burgers. Love these burgers. But I'm extremely sleepy, so I'm just gonna probably make them and just have one. Oh, it smells delicious. I love me some onion. But I have to, I'm gonna sneeze a few times. I'm gonna add Swiss cheese to my burgers, like that. They're already done, and I'm going to turn my pot basically off because I have to close my eyes now. I've been up since a little bit after 3 a.m. It's a little bit after 6. I can't stay awake any longer. I'm exhausted, but I did make my plate to put me a patty on, but I gotta get some sleep.